Actually, in Mapsa Municipal Market, our building is almost 50-60 years old building. At the same time, it was done during Portuguese era. It was of very good concrete. But due to non-maintenance of the buildings, just for example, this particular incident, there is a lot of water logging above. Now, actually, when we talk about pre-monsoon work, municipality workers, municipal inspector as well as the market inspector has to go and verify what are the points where there are possibilities of water logging. And this is a regular issue. Now if you see the other side, it had collapsed almost 3 years back. Now basically what is required is first the water logging has to be removed, and municipality's engineering department has to think about the property. If at all to reconstruct the building, they will require 100 crore rupees. And I don't know when they will build later on, because so many blocks are there pending. Municipality is our new chairperson, who is an engineer by himself, Brian Braganza, has to look into the matter and take up necessary steps to restore the building.
आनी एकटो मनीस मात वाचवलो तो मातशी ताका इंजरी जाली, मात हे जालें जाल्यार तो तकलेर पडोन आख्तर मरतलो आसलो. आमी मुन्सिपाल्टी कितके सांगले, कोणाचेच लक्ष ना. आनी आमी सुद्दां रिपेर जाल्यार आमच्या कश्टान करता. तेन्ना आमची एक हें आसा की हे मुन्सिपाल्टी नवीन आतां कोण येयला पळय रायन ब्रागांजा, तेणें लक्ष घालपाचें आनी बरेंचें बरें करता.
हे आमचे थंयसर आमकां बसलो आनी सगळें आमचे कडेन पडलें. आमचे कडेन आमी ते कामराक सांगलें कितें मातशें कितें आमकां करा हांगा, तें करूंक तयारूच ना. कितले तेंपूच जालें आमी तो करता ते म्हणटा करता 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 म्हणटा तो करूं ना, कांयच करूं ना. आनी आमकां नंबर ना काय ना बसयला ते आनी काय ना.